Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Triple M here with another quick video, and today we're talking about the Chromecast with Google TV. So Chromecast with Google TV rolled out a couple years ago, became a fan favorite, one of the best devices out as far as performance, looks, as well as the overall Google interface, which a lot of people love. But one thing that we've been missing is that Chromecast has been out for a couple years and we're still waiting on a new device to be pushed. Now, while they haven't announced a new device as of yet, they have started rolling out some updates and some added features that might be worth looking into. And one of the newest features is the ability to add profiles to your Chromecast with Google TV. So if you haven't checked in a while, chances are there is an update that's available for you. So this video, I am going to run through the update, then I'm going to run through the process of adding profiles to your Chromecast with Google TV. So before I do that, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell. Let's go. So first things first, let's check the version and see if there's an update available. What you want to do is go all the way over to the right. You're going to go to your profile picture. You're going to go down to your settings. You're going to go all the way down to system. Move to the right. You're going to click on about. Move to the right again. We're going to click on system update. All right, so you should see a screen like that. You can see that I do have an update available. This is QTS 1.220504.008, and it tells you what those updates are. So total size for this is 140 megabytes. The software updates include security update. So Android security patch level updated in May 2022. Platform improvement to help some apps with HDR 4K video playing and DRM video playback. Additional bug fixes and performance improvements. Additional improvements to Wi-Fi. So while we're here, we might do a speed test before and after just to make sure that we're good to go. So let's go ahead and do that now. And we'll just do a quick speed test. All right. Doesn't help that my Chromecast is in a box. I'm gonna leave it in the same spot, by the way. All right, so 104 megabits per second, ping is 19, 30 milliseconds. For the upload, went up a little bit, looked like we're at about 1920, which is truer to what I'm supposed to be getting. So gonna leave it there. We're gonna go back in and go back to our settings, and we're gonna start the update. I'm gonna hit download. All right, so it look like it's going pretty fast, but what I'll do is fast forward this part of the video. Now's a good time. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you don't follow me on Twitter, Instagram, I'll put those handles up in the description of this video as well. Update's done. Let's go ahead and restart. All right, so it looked like the update has just completed, and word of advice to anyone that's updating either Fire Stick, Nvidia Shield TV, or your Chromecast with Google TV. When it's first updates, guys, and it comes back into the screen like I am now, it is still processing some apps and updating some things in the background, so it might seem sluggish at first. So I would definitely recommend just give it a couple minutes, let it finish doing its thing, then you can go ahead and start. So before I do anything, I want to go in, I want to make sure that I am completely up to date. Also want to just verify that this is updated, make sure there aren't any other updates out there. So go back to system, about, update, check again. All right, so look like my system's up to date. Just checked again, everything's good to go. So let's go back out. Before we do anything, let's go ahead and we'll just try the speed test again and just see what speeds we're getting. I think we're getting about 109 on the download before, and 20 on the upload. So that's, the upload's pretty standard, like I said. However, the actual download seems a little bit low for what I'm supposed to be getting. All right, so ping went down a little bit, so 18, I think it was at 2021 the past couple, and uploads seem like it's around the same, downloads seem like it's around the same. So maybe there's some stability improvements, but look like for the most part it's the same speed. So now I want to quickly show you how to add profiles to your Chromecast or Google TV, and this was another update that was pushed recently. So if you haven't checked this out, this might be worth looking into. So from your home screen, you're gonna go all the way over to the right on your profile picture, highlight your profile, your name, your icon, whatever, click on it. For me, I do have another profile right here, and you see it. I do have the option to manage profiles below, but now you have an option to add an account. So when you click add an account, so it tells you that you can add an account to create a profile and unlock more personalized experience with tailored recommendations and a personal watch list. You can manage accounts in the settings and sign in. So you do have two options here. You can add an account or you can add a kid's account. Now it kicks you over to a sign-in page, and what you have to do essentially is add your Google profile. So if it's someone else in the household, a friend or family, you can always add them through their Google profile. So add a kid, it says create a new separate viewing experience for kids with parental controls and screen time limits. You can add or remove kids profiles anytime and go to the settings for that. So add a kid's account, tells you to get started. All right, so select my profile, add your kid's profile. Now you have options to manage that account from within your Google account. So like I said, profiles are a good thing. I'm not a big fan that it requires a Google account, not only for the parents, but for the kids account. I feel like something as simple as a Fire Stick where you just want a profile on this device is sufficient. But in the comments, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you use the profile option. Let me know if you feel like it's too much as far as requiring you to add a Google account, which I think is just overkill just for adding an account for someone else to have a different experience. Of course, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you find this video helpful, give me a like. If you don't, drop a dislike. If you drop the dislike, comment, let me know why you disliked this video. That way I can use that in future videos. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll catch you on the next one.